Anabolic Running 2.0 review explains this online workout program for men who are anxious to take their progress and exercises to the subsequent level without overtraining. With just 16-minute training for 7 days, you can support testosterone and growth development hormones when the body reaches the lactic threshold. A lactic threshold is a typical circumstance that increases when you arrive at a specific level with your workout. When the lactic threshold levels shoot up in the body, the growth hormone level progresses up to 500%. The regular high-intensity workout cannot help in raising the lactic threshold levels. The Anabolic Running 2.0 with interval workouts does this magic. The word anabolism means building up from small pieces. This training is termed as anabolic running for the same reason. Through small sprint pieces of training with specific intervals, it builds an ordinary man into a handsome man. The Anabolic Running 2.0 guide consists as sprint cardio training. When you read these words in the review, you might think, as if the program has high-intensity coaching. If you did so, change your thought. The Anabolic Running 2.0 program has just 16 minutes of training for a week. Yes, you might think that this Anabolic Running 2.0 review is creating hype for this program. No. The process is not new. It is an ancient technique to lift the testosterone levels by the real paleo hunters. What are the uses of testosterone? Testosterone is a reproduction hormone that is behind masculine nature among men. It produces male reproductive tissues, regular sperm levels, sex drive or libido, bone mass, muscle mass, fat distribution, and strength. What are the results of low testosterone in the body? Once the testosterone levels decline in the body, the affected person faces erectile dysfunction, less sex drive, fatigue, irritation, depressed mood, and less confidence level due to a decreased sense of well-being. How does running affect the sportsperson? Athletes around the world have fit physique. But have you ever noticed a marathon runner? The marathon runner develops feminism while they practice for the marathon. Some researchers reveal that this fact is true. The marathon runners keep up the testosterone levels high for the entire running time. The body becomes resistant to the testosterone levels as time passes by. As per Anabolic Running 2.0 review, the endurance level increases in the body, but the testosterone level decreases in the body during the marathon training. Putting the body into tremendous stress for hours together results in loss of manliness. The muscles are gone, and the body becomes slushy. The U.S. National Library of Medicine, as of late, distributed a stunning article affirming testosterone levels are lower in endurance running guys. The study even confirms that the marathon runners have lower testosterone levels compared to men who don't even exercise. Features of Anabolic Running 2.0 guide. Anabolic Running 2.0 helped many marathon runners around the world. There are several Anabolic Running 2.0 reviews lies on the internet as proof. Anabolic Running 2.0 is an interim style of training. It includes explicit nasal breathing tricks to improve performance and to gain a fitness level. By following the procedures and activities mentioned, you can expand the bloodstream and lift physical endurance. Additionally, it boosts sexual performance, testosterone levels, and disposes of erectile dysfunction. Participants exposed to the lactic threshold for 30 seconds experienced a 530% increase in growth hormone, which shows the study conducted in a recent exercise test at the University of North Carolina confirmed. This anabolic running method improves every natural bit of leeway a person would ever need with just 16 minutes out of each week. Another reward? Nitric oxide. It is a natural vasodilator. It opens up and loosens up your vein dividers, taking into consideration more blood streams to go through. Viagra tablets induce the same mechanism in the old chap's body. Incredibly famous scientist Patrick McKeon found a straightforward nasal breathing training during the lactic threshold to be the most ideal approach to increment nitric oxide levels. It boosts the bloodstream naturally. There are several Anabolic Running 2.0 bonuses you receive with the program. Pros and cons of Anabolic Running 2.0. In this half of the Anabolic Running 2.0 review, we look at some of the advantages and disadvantages of this product. Pros. It reveals the best workouts that ramp up sexual performance. Hard, vascular and shredded body with 30 seconds movement. Laboratory-confirmed natural oil to boost up testosterone levels by 22%. 3-minute mind control. Anabolic Running 2.0 trick to boss your mind, increasing your sex appeal, and let you be an attractive male in a room. The main Anabolic Surge method that implants development hormones into your body weight exercises, permitting pounds of muscle gain without getting a puffy weightlifter look. Unlocks the unlimited energy and improved focus on your daily schedule. Increases the metabolic rate and keep the fat off the body. 2 minutes running before workouts, releasing growth hormone into the body. Breathing techniques that help to build strong puffy arms. Cons. The program has only digital access. Anabolic Running Book, Anabolic Running PDF, and Anabolic Running 2.0 PDF are available only in the digital version. Even though the course has detailed and good instructions, trainers are not available near you. The methods are only suitable for men.